Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to all my dear students. I am Humaira Shah, your social studies teacher from Multan Public School and College. Today we will start a new unit number 3, and the topics are food and clothes. Dear students, in this unit we will learn about where food comes from, how some foods are made, things we grow in Pakistan, where clothes come from, different kinds of clothes and different kinds of fabric. Humans, animals and birds cannot live without food. We get our food in different ways. We get our food from animals, birds and plants. Do you know, boys, where does our food come from? Yes, some food is grown on the land. For this we need good soil, lots of water and seeds. We get grains, fruits and vegetables from plants. Do you know, boys? We grow lots of mangoes in Pakistan. These mangoes are sold all over the world. We get food from animals also. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk and meat. Birds like chickens give us eggs. We also eat chicken's meat. Many kinds of food can be made from eggs and milk like butter, cheese, cakes and so many other things. People all over the world wear clothes. Clothes protect the body from heat and cold. In some parts of the world, it is very cold. People wear clothes made of wool and fur to keep warm. In other parts of the world, it is hot. People wear clothes made of cotton to keep cool. Men and women wear different clothes. In Pakistan, you will see people dressed like this. Women mostly wear shalwar kameez, frocks, dupattas and scarves, and men mostly wear shalwar kameez, turbine, waistcoat or lungi. Special clothes are worn by people who are doing special jobs. A dancer needs beautiful clothes. A diver needs waterproof clothes to keep him safe. A soldier wears a helmet and strong boots. Now I will tell you how clothes are made. Clothes are made from fabric. Fabric is usually made of cotton, wool, silk and other yarns. Cotton comes from a plant. The cotton balls are picked by hand. They are taken to a factory and spun into yarn. The yarn is then made into different kinds of cotton fabric. Machines that make cloth are called power looms, and the wool comes from sheep. Silk cloth comes from silkworms. Do you know, boys, we grow lots of cotton in Pakistan. It is the cash crop of Pakistan. We also use lots of cotton to make cloth. So we buy cotton from other countries also. Fabric is also made from chemicals. Some names you might know are rayon and nylon. These cloths are very hard and strong and we cannot cut them easily. Clothes can also be made on handlooms. They are also stitched in factories. Here are some people working with clothes. One is stitching the cloth, another lady is weaving the cloth, a lady is washing and a man is pressing the clothes. Dear students, now it's time for homework. I have given you homework in two portions. There are some questions related to the topic food and some related to the topic clothes. I hope after watching this video and reading this lesson, you can easily do these question answers on your social studies notebooks. Now I am reading these questions for you. Question number 1. Why do we need food? Question number 2. Where do we get our food from? Question number 3. Why are crops separate? Question number 4. What else can we make from corn? Now it's the turn of topic clothes. Question number 1. What kind of clothes keep us warm? Question number 2. Where does wool come from? Question number 3. What clothes do you wear at school or at home? Question number 4. What fabrics are they made of? Dear students, you have to write these question answers in your social studies notebooks in a very good and neat handwriting. Thank you. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz from my side. Inshallah, we will meet next week with a new video. Stay home, stay safe.